Hey guys, my name is Lenny, and today I'd like to update you on my progress. What I did was I've changed some graphics to make it easier for me to control where the equipables go, and by equipables I mean even branches like this. I've made a different graphics for the branch. This is just a temporary. I've reused the same graphical image for everything. I mean, if you drop the item, the graphics should probably change. If you equip the item, it should be displayed like this, and the item should be displayed differently in the inventory or character sheet as well. This is just something I'm gonna work with for a while, and then I'll just rush more graphics. Right now I wanted to focus on how to equip stuff correctly. As you can see, I'm using the same skin for the branch, and it's moving from side to side. Back then I used a different method. Right now it's less complicated, easier to maintain. About the graphics, I've switched to the more pixely style thingy. I've actually made this one myself. It took me a while. It's easier for me to make pixely graphics rather than like these trees. They are much harder for me to make, and with the pixel art I don't need my friend to help me out, as she's been pretty busy lately with various stuff. Also, I have added a shield. Oh, and if you control left click, you can just drop stuff to the ground. You can also shift click items onto your character sheet, but I think that used to be in the previous releases or previous patches, I guess. I've added that you can just shift click items back into your backpack. So this is a shield, a wooden shield. I've introduced materials to the project. This is a stone axe, and this is a wooden sword. The graphics for it are kinda, well, I made them, so you gotta expect something crazy. But at least it looks like some sort of a bat, maybe a sword, I guess. But yeah, that's a wooden sword from now on. The graphics probably gonna be changed later on. This is just something I want to build on, and it's much easier for me to build on pixel art rather than this style. Alright, what else? Yeah, they got no function whatsoever right now, and you cannot craft them. That's something I'm gonna work on from now on. What I've added as well is that you can remove tree stumps, and you can also cut tall grass, which is gonna be needed for the crafting system I got in mind. I also want to rework how you handle or work with things that are on the ground. Like, if you want to pick up an item, I don't want you to go through the menu. I just want you to right click the item, and it's gonna pop up in the backpack. If you shift click the item from the ground, it should probably end up in your character sheet. And the same thing goes for lifting logs. It's probably better to rework that later on. But what I want to focus right now is that you got like tall grass, cut tall grass, you got branch, and you got this beautiful stone. I need to make more different graphics for it. You should probably be able to smash it into shards, but you're not right now. What I'm gonna go with this is that when you got the shard, you can combine these three with the shard, of course, into the stone axe. Right now I'm thinking about how to make the crafting system, as I've been through many games in my life and I rarely liked the crafting system, so it's gonna be a challenge for me. I'm gonna probably go with something real easy. Also, I'm trying to combine a lot of stuff that I like from other games, like hauling logs like that. That's from Haven and Hearth, by the way. That's something so crazy that I had to put it put in the game. Alright, what's next? Blah blah blah, new graphics, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's probably it. So the next stuff I want to work on is crafting. After that, I'd like to go to building stuff, and probably while I'm working on it, I'll probably replace some of the graphics. Alright, that's enough for now. See you next time.